5 million more doses of Sinopharm will be delivered to Thailand this month, and that will bring a total of 10 million, with the inoculation of children aged 3 to 17 being considered as well. So, according to the Julapon Royal Academy, or the CRA, which is the only non governmental agency importing vaccines for the Thai public, 5 million doses of China's Sinopharm have already been delivered, with the latest batch having arrived on Sunday. Three more batches, totaling 5 million doses, will arrive in mid and late August. Around 8.9 million doses have already been allocated to private entities, local government organizations, vulnerable members of society, such as the elderly, bedridden patients, priests, those in crowded communities, and others without access to the vaccines, as well as other members of the public. The CRA is also considering an expansion of its inoculation program to include children aged 3 to 17, following China's approval of the use of inactivated virus vaccines in the young since June. The United Arab Emirates also approved the use of Sinopharm in children yesterday. And speaking of Sinopharm, this is Thailand's first and currently only paid alternative vaccine. The second one will be the US made Moderna, 5 million doses of which have been ordered by private hospitals through the Government Pharmaceutical Organization, or the GPO, with deliveries late this year and early next year. And as we have had a look at the vaccine figures, let's now take a look at today's COVID-19 figures, which remain high and have prompted the extension and expansion of partial lockdown measures. As for today, 18,901 new cases and 147 more deaths are recorded, bringing the total infections and deaths in this current wave since April to over 623,000 and 5,221 respectively. Although it is not a new record, today's case number almost reached the record of 18,912 set on Saturday. Most of the infections are local transmissions, as only 7 cases come from overseas, with almost 750 cases from prisons.